Hello everyone, in this video we will see the process of emailing a digitally signed Form 16 through Saral Paypack. Before starting the process, ensure that Part A and Part B of Form 16 are generated. You can refer to our early video shown below. Also, note that you need to install Saral Sign software to use this option of digital signature. After both PDFs are generated, go to Form 16 with traces under TDS Reports of Report menu. Select the financial year and the employee or employees for whom the digitally signed Form 16 has to be emailed and enter the date and place of generation. Now click on Merge Part A and Part B and select the folders where the respective part PDFs are stored. Next, enable the option digitally sign using Saral Sign as well as sign at all signature positions and click on merge. The Saral Sign will be opened. Parallelly, ensure that the USB token of the digital signature is plugged into the system and the certificate is ready to be used. After the plug-in of DSC USB drive, click refresh and the certificate will be identified by the software. Select the certificate and click on next. Here the signed PDF path and the details of the PDF will be shown. Verify the details and click on next. In the last window, enter the purpose, locations and signature date while enabling the option I want to email the files after signing. On click of finish, you will be asked for the email settings. Enter the subject and content of the email and save. Now on clicking on finish, enter the digital signature token PIN and login. The PDF will be digitally signed and the message for the same will be displayed on the screen. You can navigate to the path shown in the earlier screen and view the digitally signed Form 16 which would be emailed to the particular employee. This completes the process of emailing a digitally signed Form 16 through Saral Paypack. Thank you for watching this video and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.